Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Brainplosion. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to make your very own magnetic putty. Okay, so the things you're going to need is clear glue. You could also do it with white glue, but I found that it works a little bit better with clear glue and it kind of gives you a better shine. Synthetic black iron oxide. If you don't know where to find this stuff, I just bought all this on Amazon. Liquid starch, and obviously magnets. Okay, so first put your clear glue into your container, and the amount of putty you want really depends on how much clear glue you put in. Okay, so next what you're going to want to do is put the synthetic black iron oxide into the clear glue, and the more you put in, the more magnetic your slime will be, and vice versa. And now you stir. Okay, so after you've mixed the synthetic black iron oxide with the clear glue, you're going to want to add your activator or your liquid starch. There really isn't an exact amount to add to the mix. You just want to keep mixing it until the mix isn't as sticky or tacky anymore. I suggest adding little by little until you get the consistency that you want. I don't know if you could tell, but it is still pretty tacky and it isn't as liquidy as before, and it means you have to add more liquid starch. Okay, so you want to get it to the point where it's not too sticky. I mean, if it's a little sticky, that's fine, but you don't want it to be like clinging onto you like freaking venom. And voila, you have your magnetic slime. And as you saw, you might have to get your hands a little bit dirty to start kneading it. All right, let's check out how this thing reacts with magnets. As always guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it around with your friends. I know that we're all stuck at home, and this could be something fun that you could do with your family or your kids or whoever, or just by yourself. That's what I did. Yeah, we're almost to 100 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. Until next time guys, peace.